we've released our new Concussion Tracker app. So Complete Concussion Management has a smartphone app. I was looking for my phone, but it's right there. We have a smartphone application called the Concussion Tracker, and what this app does, it has many kind of facets and avenues. You can download it for free from the App Store, from Google Play, available on Android and iOS. Just search Concussion Tracker and download it. What it's for is for sports organizations. So if you're a coach, you can set up a roster with all your players on that roster. Players would go and register, create a profile, have all their information on that profile. The coach would then add them to teams, and then the coach from their team roster can see right away who has a current concussion, who has a suspected concussion, and who's fully healthy and ready to play. If an injury happens or a suspected concussion, a coach or a sideline therapist can actually press on that athlete and file an injury report, and it walks you through how to do it. So if you have very limited experience in managing or dealing with concussions, you can get walked through an injury assessment report, and it also, if you're a sideline therapist, takes you through some elements of some sideline concussion testing. So there's balance testing in there, there's memory testing in there, and that type of thing. So if you're a sideline therapist, you can manage all of that. When the injury gets reported, the best thing about this app is that it automatically notifies every other sport and coach and teacher and everyone else that that athlete is associated with, so that you no longer have athletes that fall through the cracks. The biggest problem, or one of the biggest problems with concussion right now, is that an athlete gets concussed playing soccer, but the hockey coach does not know that the injury's taken place unless the athlete informs them personally. So this way, athlete gets injured playing soccer, and automatically the hockey coach knows, the football coach knows, the rugby coach knows, the teachers know, because they all get notified and they know what they're supposed to do. So as the athlete goes through their return to learn, return to play stages, that's updated automatically into the app, so the teachers know what little Johnny is allowed to do and what he's not allowed to do when he gets back to class. And also all the coaches know when Johnny's allowed to participate in practice and when he's not. And then if he is allowed to participate in practice, they can actually see what drills are recommended for each stage of the progression. So what this app does is it brings all stakeholders together in one single communication platform. And so we've just kind of launched this right now. You can also upload medical records. So if you're a sports association and you're working directly with a CCMI clinic, a Complete Concussion Management clinic, that information, the injury report, gets sent immediately to that clinic, so they get a notification, so they can actually fast track that person in the door to start the recovery process, start the treatment process, make sure that things go according to plan, and the entire time there's communication back and forth. If that athlete is not able to access a Complete Concussion Management clinic, they can take their injury report into any healthcare provider of their choosing, and when that healthcare provider signs off on their clearance, you as the coach or the trainer of the team can just take your phone over it and scan a copy of that letter, and it automatically goes into the athlete's file and clears them from that injury. So basically what it is for sports associations, it's better tracking, better data, better adherence to your protocols, and also reduced liability on the aspect of the sports association, the school, the coach, the teacher, everyone else, because you have documentation for everything. So it's free to download, free to use. Everybody go and do it. This is our gift to you. Enjoy, give us some feedback, and we can continuously make it better as we go. I just posted a video of it on my Instagram. There's a 1-minute kind of video that shows what it does. Be sure to check that out.